my group members are going to do presentation on our group project 2, which is PC Proposal. But first, let us introduce ourselves first. So my name is Nurul, Izzati, Binti, Ayazi, and my group members are Atira, Izwani, Binti, Jamaluddin, Norfatin, Nabiha, Binti, Roslan, and Rahimah, Binti, rosmadi. We are from Imd222
The content of this video would be the introduction, computer specification, pricing consideration, and the last one is conclusion.
Without further ado, let's get into the introduction.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Atira Izwani Binti Jamaluddin. For introduction, we analyze what's the problem and needs that been stated by Nawal. She is a university student at University Technology Mara that need a new computer to use for her assignment. Besides, she also uses utility software such as Microsoft Word, Excel, and Access. As for programming software, she needs to use programming software like VBNet and C++. Meanwhile, for authoring software, she will use Adobe Dreamweaver, Adobe Premiere, and Adobe Director. Next, she also needs a computer that can support great graphics for good gaming and sound system for watching movie. Nawal also requires a large storage capacity to save her file or works. Referring from what is described, we will suggest a complete system specification for Nawal as well as its price.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Norfatin Nabiha Binti Roslan and I'm from Imd222 The first computer specification is motherboard. We choose this MSI Mac B460 Motor Wi-Fi as the motherboard for Nawal in building her computer to use. This motherboard supports 10 Gen Intel CPU for LGA 1200 socket and use DDR4 up to 2933 MHz RAM memory technology. Not just that, it also has premium thermal solution for extended heatsink design and M.2 shade frost for high performance system and non-stop gaming experience. Moreover, other specifications for this are it powered by Intel USB 3.2 Gen 1 controller that Turbo USB ensure an uninterrupted connection with more stability and fastest USB speed and has 2.5G LAN with LAN Manager and Intel Wi-Fi 6AX solution for upgrade network solution for professional and multimedia use to deliver a secure, stable and fast network connection. The price for this motherboard starts from Rm876 and it is suitable yet affordable for Nawal to choose.
Cooler Master Cosmos C700P is suggested for Nawal specifically for computer case because it provides the quality and high-end versatility when creating custom setup. Thus, Cooler Master Cosmos C700P has been completely redesigned on the interior and exterior with such a smart LED lighting system, inbuilt fan control, and curved tempered glass. Therefore, due to the fully modular design's ability to be developed in a number of combinations, whereby the Cosmos C700P can accommodate the largest XL until 80X motherboard and is made of mid plastic and also aluminum components. It also stated that Cooler Master Cosmos C700P provide adequate room for a large motherboard with several graphic cards. The pricing is quite high, which is 1,279.99 ringgit Malaysia. This computer case, on the other, is ideal for Nawal who wants a huge storage capacity to keep her data.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Rahimah Binti Rosmadi and I am from Imd222 Pc Now, let's take a look on the hardware. One of the most important hardware components in your gaming PC is the CPU. Most users consider it as the second most important device to consider, with only the GPU having a greater impact on the entire gaming experience. This is understandable given that the GPU influences the quality, resolution, and frame rates of your PC games. However, contrary to popular opinion, the CPU has a significant impact on how well your PC runs games, making it worthwhile to find the best CPU for gaming and other apps. Nawal is advised to purchase the Intel Core i7 processor because to its convenient and since Nawal need high resolution graphic for gaming. The price is also affordable, which is Rm1,248.77. The bus speed of the CPU is as high as 8 GT/s, according to the specification. A bus speed is a mechanism for transferring data between computer components or computers. Furthermore, max memory size refers to the processor maximum memory capacity, which is 128 GB, and the memory types are DDR4 3200. It also has amazing advanced technologies like as Intel Deep Learning Boost, which is designed to accelerate AI deep learning use cases, Intel Optane TM memory supported, Intel Turbo Boost Max technology 3.0, and many others. Next, RAM is one of the options for storing information for a short or long period of time. The larger the size of the RAM, the more work that can be done at one time. Nawal is advisable to use the Kingston RAM memory because it has an internal memory of 8 GB. Meanwhile, its memory clock speed is 2933 mHz, which is extremely good. The memory type is DDR4 and the memory form factor is 288 pin DIMM. The price is also reasonable at RM251.99, which is neither pricey or inexpensive. After all, this component is for PC as Nawal desired.
After that, about the graphic card. Graphic card is one of the important hardware to look up in installing this PC for Nawal. It is because without a good graphic card, Nawal could not do the assignment well and smoothly. Graphic card is the hardware which is responsible for producing the image that we see on our monitor. So, we recommend Nawal to use this NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 Ti Founders Edition graphic card because it will give a high satisfaction when she used it. The specification of this graphic card are it uses GDDR6 memory type and has 8 GB of memory. The reason why we choose 8 GB of memory because it can provide excellent quality of use and is more than enough for students. Additionally, the effective memory clock of it is 14,000 MHz and has two options of colors which are black and silver. The pricing of this type of graphic card is Rm1,676.16 and it is one of the cheapest if compared to others if we look at its specification. Next, about the hard disk. The recommendation hard disk that we choose to Nawal is the Samsung 970 Evo Plus NVMe M.2 SSD. We prefer a solid state drive or SSD over hard disk drive or HDD to Nawal because it is the latest and faster type of hard disk. This type of hard disk has the 1 TB of digital storage capacity. The reason why we choose 1 TB because Nawal requires a large storage capacity to store her files, so that 1 TB will provide a large and comfortable storage space to use. It is an internal storage type and the 970 Evo Plus reach sequential read up to 3500 megabits per second and up to 3300 megabits per second for sequential write speed. It powered by the latest V9 technology and Samsung's reputation for quality. Last but not least, the range of the price is Rm668.76.
Another hardware component is DVD-ROM. Nawal has stated that she wants her new computer to be good for watching movie. So we recommend Nawal with DRW24B1SD internal SATA 16X DVD disc rewriter from Asus. It features enhanced data, read speed from various types of disks. It allows user to permanently delete the data or rewrite a disk. This provides you with flexibility and efficiency in terms of multimedia data storage. Next, the innovative eGreen engine technology. Engine mode that automatically close drive application when not in the use. Next is auto vibration reducing system (AVRS). AVRS technology reduces the vibration to maintain the best media playback.
For the software, Nawal can install OS system which is Windows 10. Windows 10 is one of the preferred operating system for Nawal. This is due to the fact that Windows 10 includes a variety of features that Nawal can use, including the Microsoft Edge web browser, a virtual desktop system, a window and desktop management feature called Task View, support for fingerprint and face recognition login, new security features for enterprise environment, and DirectX 12. Nawal may also be used on a variety of devices, including desktop computer, tablets, and smartphones. As part of this effort, Microsoft created Windows 10 Mobile alongside Windows 10 to replace Windows Phone, the company's previous mobile operating systems. As a student, the Windows 10 desktop function allows Nawal to run multiple apps and programs at the same time, each in its own window. This is division allows Nawal to distribute numerous programs across the screen, sharing information between them. Other than that, this also allows Nawal to perform a large amount of work in one go. By clicking this link at Google, Nawal can get Windows 10 for free. Next is utility software, which is Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Access. The utility software specified including Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Access are among those that every student must have access to. This software is essential since it is a basic software program for students, including Nawal. The ability to use this program is important in everyday life, whether studying or working. This program is frequently installed by the store when we purchase a laptop or PC. Thus, Nawal does not need to worry because it is only available free of charge. Furthermore, we can see programming software which is VB.NET and C+ programming. VB.NET is an open source developer platform for Linux, Mac OS, and Windows with no license fees and free development tools. Visual Basic VB is a programming language created by Microsoft for their Windows operating system. C+ is a very capable general-purpose programming language. It can be used to create operating system, browser, and games, among other things. C+ supports a variety of programming styles such as procedural, object-oriented, functional, and so on. It is perfect for Nawal since VB.NET is an excellent place to start because it is simple and straightforward. In addition, Nawal is also a new student who wants to learn, thus it is suitable for her. Visual Basic may appear to be less popular among programmers simply because it is syntax different from those of other prominent language. The syntax is straightforward and you won't find yourself writing hundreds of lines of code since there are many shortcuts that makes coding in this language so much easier. Basic is claimed to be easier to learn than other language. Last but not least, for software, we can see operating software which is Adobe Dreamweaver, Adobe Premium, Adobe Director, Adobe Illustrator, and Adobe Photoshop. Since that Nawal is a first-year student at University Technology Mara UiTM, so she does not have to worry about where she can get the necessary operating software such as Adobe Dreamweaver, Adobe Premium, Adobe Director, Adobe Illustrator, and Adobe Photoshop because UiTM has provided it free to its students for free download. So, Nawal can save money here. All of this software is also quite beneficial for completing the lecturer's assignment, such as poster, magazines, and so on.
Next, we will continue with input devices. Our first suggestion is mouse. The Logitech GG300S optical gaming mouse is the most suitable mouse for use by Nawal in terms of functionality, design, and even price. According to the official website of this brand, every user instruction of this mouse is executed as quickly as possible. As for system requirements, it requires Windows 7 and above. Another input device is keyboard, which is Razer Sentosa Chroma keyboard that costs around RM299. It is a decent gaming keyboard with full RGB backlighting and programmable keys. Besides, it has spill-resistant design where it is put to withstand accidental liquid splashes. Furthermore, it also supports up to 80 million clicks with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty.
For the output device, it is recommended for Nawal to use MSI Optic G27CQ4 gaming monitor because this monitor uses WQHD high resolution that will make the screen even better. On the other hand, this display uses AMD FreeSync, which help to minimize screen tearing and also provide the monitor with anti-flicker and less blue light, which it is preventing eye strain and fatigue when we gaze at the screen for extended period of time, especially during gaming. As a result, it is ideal for Nawal, who is a student that must spend a significant amount of time on computer. Thus, this monitor is claimed to have night vision, which it is allow Nawal to see every detail perfectly in the dark. Therefore, it's allowing Nawal to complete tasks at night. The price is 1,499 ringgit Malaysia, which is reasonable given to the specification that allow Nawal to use it for extended period of time. Next is headset. We suggested Nawal to use HyperX Cloud X Stinger. This headset is perfect for Nawal since it is comfort, excellent sound quality where it delivers high quality sound with precise audio accuracy. Moreover, this headset also convenience where it is light and comfort during long-term use session. The price of this headset would be 323.49 ringgit Malaysia, where it is reasonable and affordable for such high quality headset. The last one is speaker. We suggested Nawal to use Logitech Z4072.1 Pc speakers wireless. This speaker is recommended to Nawal since she requires a good sound system for watching movie either in CD or DVDs. The price of this speaker would be 299 ringgit Malaysia.
The total amount for Nawal to make a complete PC is 8,570 ringgit and 25 cents, and it is reasonable and affordable for such high-end PC, plus Nawal is a student.
In sum, all the components suggested by us are exactly in line with what Nawal needs. We find and recommend components according to the needs of Nawal. For example, in terms of learning needs that require the use of software to use for games and videos such as watching movie. That's all from us, thank you.